If you've already started direct-to-film printing or thought about jumping into it, this video is for you. What's going on, everyone? Esteban here with All American Print Supply with another direct-to-film exciting update. I'm proud to introduce to all of you the brand new AA Purifier Mini Portable Air Filter. Now, before we dive into this must-have accessory for any DTF printing operation, why don't we go ahead and hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And while you're at it, drop a thumbs up on this video. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below. Let's talk about it. One of the key elements, if not the key element of direct-to-film printing, is the cooking of the hot melting powder to the wet ink. This is going to be what allows us to apply the transfer right away, store it for later use, or even sell these transfers as a service. Now, depending if you're doing this type of printing or maybe seen it before, you may have noticed possibly steam or even vapor coming from the drying area. That's where the AA Purifier Mini Portable Air Filter comes in. So if you're working in close proximity to your equipment, this is going to be a great tool to keep your workspace free and clear of any of that vapor or steam that you may see develop. We're big fans of this device thanks to its easy plug-and-play usage, small compact design, and adjustable vacuum pressure knob. Honestly, every direct-to-film operator should be running this no matter what size setup they have. And did I mention it's portable? I gotta take this. This is available at aaprintsupplyco.com right now.